strong.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing a handheld vacuum cleaner which was given to me by a company called as Reikiya. Alright, so the first thing is packaging. Now when you hold a product and when you feel it, you already come to know about the quality. Now when I am holding this box, I can say that this is of very good quality. So kudos on the packaging. It has all the information. It has the model number HVC10. You have the HEPA filter which is used in this product, and they have also told you about all the modes that's in there, all the features over here, all the technical details if you want to know about the product. So overall the packaging is very good. Now let's get this vacuum cleaner out of the box. When I say vacuum cleaner, I'm not completely right, because this is vacuum cleaner plus a duster. I'm gonna talk about all that later, but first let's get this out. Wow, I really love soft opening boxes. Kudos. Now this is a good case. Again, the quality is very good. All right. So this is the exact size of the vacuum cleaner. It's pretty small, but everything fits in this box. So again, kudos to the company and kudos to the packaging. So first thing, I want to call out that everything is wrapped in this plastic paper. So there's going to be some ASMR. Wow, I have never done this, at least for any vacuum cleaner. So kudos to the company. We have a dust container over here which has the HEPA filter inside, so you don't have to worry about putting the filter, but just make sure that before using this you take out this plastic wrap. You have an extra filter over here. Now if you want to check the quality, there is this stainless steel cage, and then you have the filter inside. You have this extender and the brush. Now again, if you want to just use this nozzle, which is the plastic one, you can use that. In case you want to dust something out, you can always extend this. Again, all the plastic is very good quality plastic. Then you get these nozzles. Now these nozzles are for the use case where you want to inflate something or you want to use this vacuum cleaner as a duster. And you get a charging cable. This is again type C, and you get this manual which is in English and Chinese. Now let's talk about the actual machine. And you have plastic over here, you can take that out. This is your LED screen. You have this nice golden chrome finish over here at the back, and you also have the same golden chrome over here on this scroller. So we'll talk about this scrolling knob in a bit. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I have the basic assembly of this vacuum cleaner and blower, but I just keep on saying it vacuum cleaner for the simplicity. Now, if I hold it, this is around 450 grams, so it's pretty good. And I believe that when the product is of good quality, there's always some weight in it. It's not like the sneaker shoes. Okay, so to turn this product on, you have to press this button twice. In the first one, you will always get a light. I think this indicates the battery percentage. Right now, this was at about 55%. So I think which is good. The product should always have some juice whenever it comes out of the box. That is kudos to the brand. So you have to hold it for 2 seconds. Now the noise is around 75 decibels, and that's the maximum noise that this will go to. So the suction power of this small machine, it goes from around 6000 PA to 18,000 PA. That's a lot, and it has 3 modes in which you can run this: low, high, and medium. And it also has a more fine-tuned mode where you can select from 1 to 100 settings of the power that you want. So I think this is superb, amazing product design. Now let's talk about the charging time. The charging time is about 2.5 hours. So I think it's gonna vary between 2.5 to 3 hours, say. And it runs for about 14 minutes at the maximum use. And then it runs about 33 minutes at the mid use. And if you're using it at the low suction power, then it runs for about 55 minutes. Now, even if we say that, these are the top numbers, still it's pretty good for a vacuum cleaner of this size. And trust me, the most frustrating feature with any vacuum cleaner, especially when I'm cleaning my car, is to charge it again and again. So I think this little baby takes care of that issue. So I'm outside in my car, and I believe that mats are usually the most dirtiest part of the cars. So I'm gonna try the Reikiya vacuum cleaner over here and clean this area using this vacuum cleaner. So let's see how it works. Just make sure you attach the right attachment. So I have put this attachment with the nozzle over here, and I'm going to use this one to blow the dirt particles. So yeah, let's do it. Now, one of the good parts of the small handheld vacuum cleaner is that because of the small size, you can literally reach in the corners where it is very difficult to reach with the bigger industry vacuum cleaners. Now, one thing that I want to call out is that the brush is very soft. The bristles are good. So you can use it to clean the delicate part of the cars, such as this control panel and the touch panel. And you won't have to worry about this brush damaging these parts with the small scratches. So yeah, I think that's a pretty handy thing. After testing this Reikiya cordless vacuum cleaner and blower, the only word I can use to describe this product is impressive. A few things about this product that I want to call out is that it really stands very well on the battery life. The battery runs very well, and the suction power is just amazing, as you guys saw. The product design is very good. The LED is very responsive. The modes are very easy to toggle. Again, when you play with this, you can hear the tick thick. This is, I think, a very good quality product. So very happy, and kudos to the team for putting out such a great product for the consumers. If you want to buy this product for yourself, which I believe you definitely should, all the details are in the description, and I'm gonna use it for my car. But with this size, it can be used almost anywhere in the world. So yeah, definitely keep this handy. Thank you for sticking till the end of this review, and I hope you really like the products. If you want more accessories that can make your life useful, definitely check my YouTube channel and you'll find multitude of those products. So till next time, please keep up your support, please stay safe, and make sure that you order this product. Trust me, close your eyes, definitely get this one. It's worth every penny. And this is not an endorsement video. See you guys next time.